Dr. CV, Suresh Babos, Virtual Classroom presents Operating Systems Series.
Introduction to threads. Discussion topics: what is a thread, similarities between process and thread, process versus thread differentiation, advantages of threads over process, how it works, thread control block, why multi-threading, single thread versus multi-thread differentiation, drawbacks of multi-threading, thread models, difference between user level versus kernel level, hybrid threads, multi-threading models. What is a thread? Thread is a part of a process. That is, a thread is a path of execution within a process, and a process can contain multiple threads. A thread is also known as a lightweight process. What are the similarities between process and thread? Like processes, threads share CPU and only one thread will be running at a time. Like processes, threads within a process execute sequentially. Like processes, thread can create children's. Like a traditional process, a thread can be in any one of the several states: running, blocked, ready, or terminated. Like process, threads have program counter, stack, registers, and state. Difference between process and thread. Process means any program is in execution. Thread means part of a process. Process is heavyweight process or resource intensive. Thread is lightweight, taking lesser resources than a process. Each process has its own memory space. Threads use the memory of the process they belong to. Processes don't share memory with other processes. Threads share memory with other threads of the same process. Process takes more time for creation, context switching, and terminate. Threads take less time for creation, content switching, and terminate. Process is less efficient in terms of communication. Thread is more efficient in the term of communication. Process switching needs interaction with operating systems. Thread switching does not need to interact with operating system. If one process is blocked, then no other process can execute until the first process is unblocked. While one thread is blocked and waiting, a second thread in the same task can run. Multiple processes without using threads use more resources. Multiple threaded processes use fewer resources. In multiple processes, each process operates independently of the others. Thread. One thread can read, write, change another thread's data. Advantages of thread over process. Responsiveness. If the process is divided into multiple threads, if one thread completes its execution, then its output can be immediately returned. Faster context switch. The time between threads is lower compared to the process context switch. Process context switching requires more overhead from the CPU. Effective utilization of multiprocessor system. If we have multiple threads in a single process, then we can schedule multiple threads on multiprocessor. This will make execution process much faster. Resource sharing. Resources like code, data, and files can be shared among all threads within a process. Note: stack and registers can be shared among threads. Each thread has its own stack and registers. Communication. Communication between multiple threads is easier as the threads share common address space While in process, we have to follow some specific communication technique for the communication between two processes. Enhanced throughput of the system. If process is divided into multiple threads and each thread function is considered as one job, then the number of jobs completed per unit of time is increased, thus increasing the throughput of system. How it works? A thread has three states: running, ready and blocked. As each thread has its own independent resource for process execution, multiple processes can be executed parallelly by increasing the number of threads. The CPU switches rapidly back and forth among the threads, giving an illusion that threads are running in parallel. Thread control block. Similar to process control block, which represents processes, thread control block represents threads generated in the system. It contains information about the threads such as its ID and states. Thread ID. It is unique identifier assigned by the operating system to the thread when it's being created. Thread states. These are states of the thread which changes as the thread progresses through the system. CPU information. It includes everything that the OS needs to know about, such as how far the thread has progressed and what data is being used. Thread priority. It indicates the weight of the thread over other threads, which helps the thread scheduler to determine which thread should be selected next from the ready queue. A pointer which points to the process which triggered the creation of this thread. A pointer which points to the threads created by this thread. Why multithreading? Threads are a popular way to improve application through parallelism. The idea is to achieve parallelism by dividing a process into multiple threads. For example, in a browser, multiple tabs can be used for different threads. MS Word uses multiple threads. One thread to format the text, another text to process inputs, etc. Difference between single thread versus multi-thread. Single thread refers to executing an entire process from beginning to end without interruption by a thread. Multi-thread refers to allowing multiple threads within a process such that they execute independently but share their resources. A single thread executes a process in a single threading. Multiple threads execute a process in multiple threading. Drawbacks of multithreading. Synchronization. Since threads share the same address space, the programmer must be careful to avoid race conditions and the non-intuitive behaviors, otherwise it can lead to deadlocks, live locks or races over resources. Thread crashes a process. An illegal operation performed by a thread crashes the entire process. Therefore, one misbehaving thread can disrupt the processing of all the other threads in the application. Thread models. User threads are above the kernel, and without kernel support, these are the threads that application programmers use in their programs. Kernel threads are supported within the kernel of the OS itself. All modern OS support kernel level threads, allowing the kernel to perform multiple simultaneous tasks or to serve multiple kernel system calls simultaneously. Hybrid threads combines the advantages of user level and kernel level thread. Difference between user level and kernel level. User level threads are implemented by users. Kernel level threads are implemented by OS. User level threads are faster to create and manage. Kernel level threads are slower to create and manage. Implementation is by a thread library at user level. Operating system supports creation of kernel threads. In user level thread, context switch requires no hardware. Context switch requires hardware support in kernel level thread. If one user level thread performing blocking operation, then entire process will be blocked. If one kernel thread performs blocking operation, then the another thread within the same process can continue the execution. Multi-threaded application cannot take advantage of multiprocessing in user level thread. Kernel routines themselves can be multi-threaded. User level thread is generic and can run on any operating system. Java thread. Example. Kernel level thread is specific to operating system. Example, Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. Hybrid thread. It uses kernel level thread and then multiplex user level thread onto some or all of the kernel threads. Most thread operations are create, destroy, synchronize, and they are done at user level. Block system calls need not block the whole process. Applications only deal with user level threads. Lightweight processes can be scheduled in parallel on the separate processing elements of a multiprocessor. Multi-threading models, one-to-one model, kernel level threading. Each user threads mapped to one kernel thread. Problem with this model is that creating a user thread requires a corresponding kernel thread. Example, Linux, Windows. Many-to-one model. User level threading. Multiple user threads mapped to one kernel thread. Problem with this model is that the user thread can block entire process because we have only one kernel thread. Example, Unix. Many-to-many model, hybrid threading. Multiple user threads multiplex to more than one kernel thread. Advantage with this model is that the user thread cannot block the entire process because we have multiple kernel threads. Example, Windows 7.
For more detailed information, refer to our book, Operating Systems, Simplified, by Dr. C.V. Suresh Babu. Highlights of our simplified series. Why should I learn this chapter? Snapshot. Frequently asked question. Summary. Activity. Assignment. Video online. Just before exam. Test yourself. Keywords. Further readings. For more tutorial videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.